Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's tutorial, we are building a journey to add Jira issues for new GitHub issues. For this, let's select GitHub as our trigger. Choose New Issues as a trigger event. Select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Let me just choose the right repository. Now, in steps, we have to create an issue in Jira. For that, let's select Jira. Choose Create Issue as action. Select an existing connection and click on Link Account to establish the connection. Now, what we have to do is select or choose the project issue type. Add summary and issue description using GitHub app data. If, in case, you have to assign it to a particular user, we can do that by adding assignee fields. Now, time being, we have added enough information and we are ready with our journey. Now, let me just save the changes and start our journey. To check our output, let's go to GitHub. Let me add a new issue. Let's visit our journey to check the execution. As you can see, the journey is executed successfully. Now let's go to Jira. As you can see, a new issue has been created with GitHub issue details. Now, in this way, we can build a journey to add Jira issues for new GitHub issues. I hope you like this tutorial. To know more and to get help in building automation journeys, visit quickwork.co.